Hey diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Go ahead and click the subscription button below and also the notification bell so that you will be made aware as soon as I drop another video. So today, as the thumbnail suggests, we are going to go over the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. Now, I found this, it was probably a month ago in Walmart, and I passed it up a couple of times, but I actually decided to grab it. So I did. I grabbed the darkest shade that they had available in Walmart, which is 775, and it is Soft Sable. Now, from what I've been reading, I just thought that Walmart had, you know, this many shades, and that was, you know, all that they carry. But come to find out, this foundation only has about 7 shades, and that's pretty much it. So I'm hoping that the Soft Sable is going to be deep enough for my skin tone. I am going to go ahead and start applying it, and then we'll kind of get into the deets, and then I'll kind of do my word test for you guys. So let's get started with the application. To apply it, I do have my beauty blender. It's damp, ready to go. One thing I do like about this is that it does have this clear top. I kind of like that. It works for me, even though it kind of got a little dirty, but I just kind of wiped it out. What else? And then it also has a pump, which is awesome, and the pump locks. So you kind of twist it, and it opens and closes the actual pump itself, which is awesome. So I am going to take, I locked it, 1, 2, I'll do 3 pumps of the foundation on the back of my hand. It's kind of thick. It's moving, but it's not moving a whole lot. And I already did my eyebrows and all that jazz. I did spray my face before I sat down to do my makeup with the MAC Fix Plus Matte. That's what I use. So I'm not going to put any other primer up under this. We're just going to slather it on, you know. Diamonds, the noise that you hear in the background, it's my dryer. Unfortunately, my beauty room sits right next door to my laundry room. And of course, your girl was trying to multitask, so my apologies. The color looks like it's going to work. I don't think I like this blender. This is one of the, I don't know, off brands I got from probably like Ulta, or no, I got this from the hair supply store. I don't like it. This is like my 3rd time using it. It's just weird. Well, it goes on pretty well. It does say it is a lightweight full coverage foundation. I did 3 pumps and I'm not seeing full coverage at all. I can see my imperfections. It has, like, I have really large pores, and it's definitely kind of sunk down into it. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this, but I'm going to give it a try. Maybe it'll change once I get everything done on my face. Maybe I'll feel better about it. It does have a citrusy laundry soap citrus type of smell. Although now that it's on the beauty blender, I mean, I don't smell it on that, but on the back of my hand, it definitely has a scent, like a florally cleaning type of scent. Okay. I'm done playing with it, you guys. Put some up there. So this is what it's left my face looking as. on camera, when I'm looking at my little monitor down here, it looks good. In person, it's okay. Like, I want to kind of finish my face and see what it'll look like. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead, finish my face. I'll come back, and then we'll kind of go over the deets of this foundation. I'll see you then. All right, diamonds, this is the finished look. I went ahead and applied the foundation. I did my eyeshadow, put some blush on, contoured a little bit, threw on that highlight, and this is what your girl looks like right now. The foundation did play well with the rest of my makeup, so that was enjoyable. Let's go into the deets first before I get into everything else about my dissatisfaction or my like of it. Again, this is Soft Sable, the CoverGirl Vitalist Heavy Elixir, 775. It does have a broad spectrum SPF of 20. So I'm curious if this is going to have some flashback. We'll see. Now, again, it does say it's lightweight. That it is. It's very lightweight. It went on like butter. I actually loved and enjoyed that part of it. With this foundation, you do get 1 fluid ounce. In Walmart, I believe I paid like $7 or $8 for it, but I was looking at the Ulta site, and it is, I just have my tablet here, it is listed for $11.99. So between $8.97 and $11.99, you can pick up this foundation. It has exactly 7 shades, and that's it. There were no more. So what I've seen on the shelf is exactly all that CoverGirl offers in this type. I'm going to read the benefits of it. It gives your skin a luxurious glow, available in multiple shades from light to deep, and we know that that is not true. Oil-free, it minimizes the appearance of oily shine, and a lightweight formula. That all but 2, it definitely does. It was enjoyable. It worked very well with I actually use cream contour, which I usually don't do. I prefer powder, but it worked well with that. It didn't move, it didn't slide, so that was awesome. I do enjoy the pump. I love the top. So I'm just going to kind of let this sit for a little while and see what it do, boo-boo. I want to see what it do. Right now it is a 5:55 p.m. I will come back in about maybe 5-6 hours, and we'll see how it has kept for the day. Diamonds, so it has been about 8 hours. It's about 2 a.m. Your girl's tired. I did blot this, and I wish I hadn't have. It was just instinct because my face was itching so bad, that so much oil, and the foundation was sitting on my face, so I had to blot. But it was an oil slick. It was crazy. So my honest opinion on this is that it just is not for me. Although I will say it's starting to break up right around my nose. On top of my nose, it's kind of separating a little bit. So I'll probably, if I'm going to, you know, just run out to somewhere, to the grocery store and come back, I might pop this on, or I might use it for a tutorial. But if I'm going out to hang out, I'm trying to be snatched, this is not going to be my go-to foundation. It just wasn't work. It just didn't work for me. I would probably say it was about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours in, and I noticed that oil was starting to come through. So unfortunately, this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the shade Soft Sable did not make the cut of one of my go-to favorites. So diamonds, if you have a foundation out there that you would like me to try, go ahead and leave it below. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And diamond, as always, until next time. DA got that dope.